Find the volume of the solids below. Now for this first one, we're actually given the end. So we know the volume is equal to the area of the end, and in this case that's 30, just times the length. So that's just going to be 1,200, and that's going to be in cubic centimeters. And then we have this cylinder, and we know that the volume of a cylinder is the area of the end, which is pi r squared, and then times by the height. So that's going to be pi times 8 squared times 5, and we just need to calculate that. So that's shift pi times 8 squared times 5, and that gives me 1,005, and they've got 2 decimal places, and that will be 0.31. And that would be in cubic centimeters as well. Okay, so we've got a solid metal cube with dimensions shown in the diagram below left. So it's 1 meter by 1 meter by 1 meter. It's melted and used to make cubes like the one shown in the diagram on the right. Assuming no loss of material, how many of the small cubes can be made? Well, I want these to be in the same unit, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to quickly change this one into centimeters there, and then we'll do the volume of the big one is therefore going to be 100 times 100 times 100, and that is 1,000,000, and that would be in cubic centimeters. The volume of the small one is going to be 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8 cubic centimeters. So if we want to know how many of the small ones we can make from the big ones, what we need to do is 1,000,000 divided by 8. See how many times the small one goes into the big one. So we'll divide that by 8, and that gives us 125,000.